What's poppin' everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Dani, also known as Street by Dani, and for today's video guys, actually exciting to because naisip ko i-record yung aking journey sa pagkakop ng Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low Olives. Actually guys, hindi ko alam kung magiging maganda ba yung kalabasan ng video na to or hindi kasi hindi ko alam kung mananalo ako or hindi. So, kung matalo ako, ang aking title ng video na to is How to Lose a Sneaker Raffle. Kung manalo naman ako, How to Win a Sneaker Raffle. Bali, parang guide na rin ito for you guys sa mga gusto sumali sa mga sneaker raffles here in the Philippines. I will let you know how to join and also where to join yung mga raffles. Actually, yung first step natin guys is pag in-announce na yung date kung kailan i-release yung sneaker, be updated sa mga social media channels ng mga stores. 1, Titan. 2, we have Park Access. 3, we have COMMONWEALTH. But I'm not sure kung magre-release si COMMONWEALTH nung Travis Scott. Number 4, we have Foot Locker. I'm not sure also if they will be releasing. Number 5, we have ATMOS. And number 6, we have yung Snkrs app. So usually, ito yung mga stores na sinasalihan ko ng raffles, especially para sa mga Jordan pairs and Nike pairs. So yung para sa mga New Balance, Adidas, Puma, Vans, they usually have yung mga raffles na mismo sa like sa New Balance Philippines, Adidas Philippines, Vans Philippines, and sometimes meron sa COMMONWEALTH, Foot Locker, and I think ATMOS meron din. So, yan yung first step natin guys. And actually, speaking of first step, kakakita ko lang nung post ni Park Access. They will be sending the emails to join the draw today at 2:30 p.m. So, dahil 2 na ngayon, I will be waiting for it in 30 minutes. Excited na ako guys, and hopefully manalo tayo dito. Talagang gusto ko talaga itong pair na to. So, ayun, that's our first step. So, I will be seeing you guys in a bit after 30 minutes. So, let's go. Alright guys, so time check. It is now 3:02 p.m. and nakuha ko na yung email ng Park Access guys. So, the next step is sasali ka sa raffle. So, usually sa email, nandyan na yung parang link, and then when I click on the link, may lalabas na Google form. So, sa Google form, first thing to do is read yung mga rules. So, once you finish reading the rules, pwede mo na i-fill up yung form. So, I will not show the screen guys kasi kind of personal yung mga ilalagay. Pero yun nga, you will be placing your name, your email, gender, and then mobile number, and then Facebook account, Instagram account. And then there are 2 questions here sa form about Travis Scott. Wait lang guys. Research ko lang muna to. And then address, and yung email mo na na-register mo sa Nike app. Always make sure na meron kayo nun. And then, yung size na nakukunin mo. So, after filling up the form, ayun, i-send ko na. Oh my gosh. Sana manalo, please. Sana manalo. Ayun na guys, ganun lang kadali. And then, ang next step na guys is actually the waiting game na. So, hihintay tayo, and according sa rules, parang isi-send yata nila yung copped emails within the day siguro. Like what my good friend It's So Good says, manifest the wins tayo guys. So, I'm manifesting sana manalo. I'll see you guys in a couple of minutes or hours kung kailan mag-email si Park Access. Pero hopefully guys, manalo tayo. And I will be waiting also for yung mga ibang raffles nila Titan, nila ATMOS kung sakali, so I can join the raffle in there. More chances of winning, diba guys? So, I think that's it. See you guys later. Yes! Panaginip ba to? Oh my gosh! Nanalo tayo ng Travis. Oh my gosh! Cute talaga. Mic test, mic test. OMG guys, I'm still speechless. Hindi ko in-expect na mangyari ito today and I'm so blessed and I am so happy that I got this Travis Jordan 1 pair kasi if you guys don't know, yung itong fragment ko na Jordan 1 lows, yan yung first win ko to. If you guys haven't watched that video, I will place it in the card. Yeah, that was my first win. So very special ang Travis Jordan collaboration for me. Anyways, kailangan ko na pala mag-pay kasi baka hindi ko pa mako-offer. Oh my gosh. Alright, okay na yung payment. Screenshot ko lang. Next is send proof of payment. Okay. Complete your purchase. And then submit. So, ayun na guys. Ang next step is maghihintay tayo for the email for our claiming time. Once I get the email, magka-claim na ako. Oh my gosh. This video is actually gonna be a good one. Kasi talaga nakita niyo yung journey of, joining a sneaker raffle. You don't know if you're gonna win or not. It's part of the sneaker game, diba? And that's what makes it exciting. And actually, I'm waiting pala for the post of siguro Titan, ATMOS, and the other sneaker stores if they're gonna have a sneaker raffle. Kasi sasalihan ko yung mga kapatid ko. Gusto ko ipasa yung good fortune sa mga kapatid ko. So, sana manalo rin sila. So, I think that's that, and I'll see you guys later. Bye! Hi guys! So, update. Kanina, ng 12 o'clock, sumali na ako sa raffle sa Snkrs. And I think yung emails, kung nanalo ka, will be sent later. And then, naglabas na rin si Titan ng post of the raffle. Bali guys, ang raffle ng Titan, you have to have the Titan app and an account. And then, once they post yung raffle sa kanilang Instagram or social media channels, you have to click the link sa bio nila sa Instagram, and then it will direct you to the form where you should fill up your details to join the raffle. So, nagawa ko na siya kanina. And then, I think they will be emailing us later within the day if nanalo or hindi. So, let's see what will happen in the rest of the day. Kain muna ako. Okay guys, so update. It is 1:21 p.m. and meron na tayong email from Snkrs. So, ayan guys. Your entry wasn't selected. So, talo tayo sa Snkrs. And I'll be going out na muna kasi need to do some errands. Kailangan natin pa rin mag-hustle para may pangbayad tayo dito sa mga Snkrs, diba? So, I'll be back tonight. And then, I'll update you guys kung ano yung mga results. See you guys later. Good evening. Kakauwi ko lang and wala pa akong nakukuhang email, but I think tomorrow makukuha ko siguro siya, or I don't know actually. So, itutulog ko na lang muna ito and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Hi! So, it is now April 27 ng 9 a.m. and I finally got my claiming email, guys. So, ang aking schedule for claiming later is from 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. But I'm planning to go around 3 p.m. kasi baka by that time, mas less na yung line for claiming. So, hopefully, yun na nga. I'm so excited to get the bear. What? I'm so excited to get the pair and I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Bye! It is now 2:45 p.m. So, around siguro mga 3 p.m. after I shoot this and get... Actually, ready na pala ako nandito. Pabag ko, nakasapatos na ako. Yun. Punta na ako to Jordan, Manila to claim the olives. Actually, I am planning to wear the sneaker na kaagad. On feet kaagad tayo, mga tol. So, I think that's it. Let's go, guys.
This here with all the ice on in the booth. At the gate outside, when they pull up, they give me loose. Yeah, jump out, boys. That's Nike boys hopping our coach. This shit way too big. When we pull up, give me the loot.
So guys, ito na nakuha na natin yung sneakers. And actually, itatry ko na siya ngayon. Suotin ko na siya. So, let's go. Mag-hi ka dito.
Hi guys, I'm Gian of Trilogy Merch PH. So, yun, follow me lang.
Ayun, check niyo yung kanyang page, guys. Thank you. Nice meeting you. And guys, so susuotin na natin yung sneaker. Ooh. Kailangan pa pala i-lace to, guys. So, hindi ko pa siya masusuot pala. I-lace ko muna siya.
Ain't got a clue. All of these hoes I made off records I produce. I might take all my exes and put them all in the group. Hit my essays, I need the boost. About to turn this function into bottom.
Hi guys! So nasa kotse na tayo and ito na yung sneakers. In-unbox ko na siya guys kasi super excited ako makita siya. This is the Jordan 1 Low Travis Scott Olive. Sobrang ganda ng material niya and actually parang suede pala dito or nubuck yung material niya. Compare mo siya sa Fragment, all leather yung sa Fragment. So super nice talaga siya guys. And I want to say thank you to Park Access for the win. And I hope you guys win as well sa mga upcoming releases. Huwag kayong mag-give up sa pagsasali sa mga sneaker raffles. Kasi there are times na mananalo ka talaga. Diba? Take it from me. So, super thankful ako and blessed. I was planning to wear this nga pala guys today. Pero parang hindi ko na siya suotin kasi may event pala ako pupuntahan in a while. And kinda crowded yun. So, ayoko siya maapakan. So, I think that's the end of this video. Thank you for joining me in this journey of mine. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Dani, out!
She fill my mind up